Hi there, in this tiny video I'm going to explain you how to record a maintenance ticket in ClickEdu. Sorry that the layout of my ClickEdu is in Spanish, but the steps are pretty much the same and I'm sure you're going to be able to understand. First of all, we need to click here on Gestión, Management. That's the first step to record the maintenance ticket. And then we go to Incidencias and Indicadores, this one, basically indicators and incidents. We click on here and we move to the right side of our screen and we click here where it says Mantenimiento, maintenance. And here we are to the main screen. First we see we are in the week, this week, the month of October, and then here is the staff we can assign this. Alejandro, Alex, Manolo, or Alvaro. Let's click on Manolo. And let's say to give or to open a new ticket. Click here on the new ticket and you can make it manually or the one which is in inventory. Both ways are pretty much done the same way. Inventory is the things that are assigned to prefix rooms or areas in the school. Manual is open one. Both are recorded the same way. For example, let's go to buildings. We go to building number 5. And which room? We're gonna go to the labs on the top floor. We record to the labs on the top floor and we're gonna collect technology room level 3. And we're gonna say that there's one incident, but I want to record a new incident. We said the AC is not working fine. When this is typed, we scroll down and you see the date. You can put a date or you just leave it blank. Then you scroll down and click on accept, enter. And then that incident, as you can see in the top of the screen, has been assigned and registered. You see accept, and this is pending of evaluation from Manolo, who is the person who's going to be checking and fixing your problem. Once the problem is fixed and Manolo is 100% sure that everything is fine, he will send you an email to your Office 365 account and you will receive that the notification that your incident, the one you open as a ticket for maintenance, has been closed. Anyway, any doubts that you may have on this matter, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.